So today let's start with GP. So do you confused with GP and AP? So I'll explain you GP versus AP today because most of the students lose their marks every year, just they forget to divide instead of subtract. Today I'll make sure you never fall for that, and let's make GP easy today. So in this clip we will be sharing with you everything from concept, formula, example, PYQ, and competency questions. Let's start with our class today. Number one will be, what is GP for you? Geometric progression. So what is GP? Where you multiply common ratio. Where you multiply common ratio. Like if I take the series 2, comma 4, comma 8, comma 16, means if you divide this, you'll get 2. If you divide this, you'll get 2. So here you don't need to divide, difference you don't take, we take divide. If you divide, you will always get the common ratio. Easy. Now, how to find nth term in this is, let's do it. Nth term in GP. So A into R n minus 1. Okay. How to find A into R n minus 1, where R is our common ratio. Okay. And then we need to even find sum of ratio. Sum of n terms in GP is equal to A into Rn minus 1 by R minus 1, where R is greater than 1. Here, and if R is less than 1, sum of n terms becomes A into 1 minus R n minus 1 by 1 minus R. Hope you understood, because sometimes we will get common ratio in the fraction also. Let's solve one question. So let's solve this example where sequence is given 2, 4, 8, 16, and they are asking us to find the fifth term. Can you find it? Fifth term. See, it's very easy. Or you, so let's do seventh term. Leave all those. So I told you how to find common ratio. You will take the division. So 4 by 2, you get 2. So R is equal to 2 and N is equal to 7. You know, so AN equals to A into R n minus 1. So what is it? That means 7 term equals to A. What is our A? 2 into R. R ratio is 2 and power 7 minus 1. So what do you get? 2 into 2 power 6. So that is 2 power 7. Easy. So 2 power 7 is what? 16 and 8, 128. Okay. Now let's solve some examples for your better clarity. Three types we will be sharing, basic to intermediate. Number one we'll do is find the sixth term. Find sixth term where A is equal to 3 and R is equal to 2. So A is equal to 3 is given, R is equal to 2 is given. So they are asking 6 times, so A equals to 6. So 3 into R. What is our R? 2. What is our N? 6 minus 1. So 3 into 2 to the power 5 equals to 3 into 32 equals to 96. Done. Let's solve question number 2. What is given? Find common ratio. See, all these I am solving to make you understand easy application of the formula. Common ratio. The ratio is given 5, 10, 20. So how to solve it? See, first of all, take A. What is A? A is equal to 5. Common ratio is equal to, we divide next term by previous term. So 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Okay, easy. Now let's solve next question. Question number 3. What is given? Find number of terms. Find number of terms. So what is the, which term of the, let's solve, which term of GP is like 3, 6, 12, 24 is 384. Now class, 384 is equal to 3 into 2 power n minus 1. How did we do it? Because we know an is equal to a into rn minus 1. Okay. So we got a, this is our a, and where r is equals to 6 by 3 equal to 2. So now let's solve it. So 384. So 384 divided by 3 is equal to 2n by 2. So you get 128 into 2 equals to 2 power n, and 256 into 2 power n. So what do we write 256? Here 256 is equal to 2n. So 2 power 8 is equal to 2 power n. If you compare, therefore n is equal to 8. How many terms? So 8 term is equal to 286. Easy. Okay. So now let's find sum of n terms. We'll do now sum of n terms. What is the formula? Sn equals to a into rn minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay. Now, first question. A is equal to 2, r is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. So how to find sum of n terms? So this is S4. A is 2 into 3 power 4 minus 1 by 4, sorry, r minus 1. So what is our r here? 3. So 3 minus 1. So what do you get? 2 into 3 power 4. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 27, 81 minus 1 by 2. You got 80. Then save this formula. Okay. Now I'll share with you competency-based questions. Competency-based question. A person invests 500 in a scheme where every year it doubles. Okay. So that means we will apply GP here to solve it. What is our A here? A is our rupees 500. Yes. So what will be our R? Equals to 2 because it is given double, and n is equal to 5 because 5 years. Now they are asking us how much money he will have. So how much money means we will take sum of n terms. So as here r is greater than 1, so what will be the formula? A into rn minus 1 by r minus 1. So what is our A? 500 into what is our R? 2. What is our N? 5 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. What do we get? 500 into 31. Correct? So that is around rupees 15,500. Let's solve PYQ. PYQ from past 2-year question. So sum of first. So this question came in the year 2022. What is the question? Sum of first 6 terms. So let's do it. What is given? A is given as 1, R is given by 2 by 1 is equal to 2, N is equal to 6. So sum, that means Sn. So A into, always write the formula for better solving. So 1 into 2 power 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So what do you get? 64 minus 1 equals to 63. Done. Now next question is also how to find the nth term. So it came in the year 2023. So what is the question? Basic is which term of this? So again, always write given data. What is given here? A is equal to 2, R is equal to current term divided by previous term, we get 2. What is N? We don't know. We have to find the nth term. The nth term formula is, nth term is given 256. So let's solve it. So we know N equals to A into Rn minus 1. Okay. Important thing is when sum of n terms is given, A into R and capital N means number n, not from the power. Okay. And here from the power. So 256 is equal to, according to question, 256 is equal to A is our 2, R is our 2, N minus 1. So what do we get? 128 equals to 2 power n by 2. So what do we get? 256 equals to 2 power n. Therefore, therefore n is equal to 8. Easy. Now, what are the mistakes? What are the mistakes that usually students make here is, so what are the mistakes student makes here? Subtracting. In GP, we do divide. Important thing. Okay. Number two, number of terms versus final term. Don't get confused. And number three, R greater than 1 and R less than 1 to be noted. And common ratio, that is, ratio must be constant. Okay. And always write formula. So you have mastered GP from scratch to PYQs. If you want, so what did we learn today? So you have mastered GP from scratch to PYQ. We have done nth term, we done sum of terms, we did board question, and we did word problem. So if you understood it, then you can comment GP done in the comment section. And next video will be about AP versus GP speed test.